Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be talking about a Yeezy knit runner in the Fade Indigo colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back, everyone, to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today, we're going to be talking about the Yeezy knit runner in the Faded Indigo colorway. So we'll go through the overview, talk about size and fit on these. I definitely switched up my sizing, so stick around for that. Then we'll talk about how I styled this really cool color combination, and then we'll conclude with how these are doing currently on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. This is not the first knit runner that I've done on the channel, so go back, check that video out if you have not already. But this is actually a new color combination that we have yet to see on the Yeezy lineup. This is a really just cool kind of faded indigo color scheme that has this nice gradient on it. So we do have a prime knit construction on the upper. We've got this nice kind of moss green colorway, which then fades into this really just nice fall purple hue. As we work our way to the sock liner area, we get into that navy color scheme. The interior is all black, while the interior pads are black as well. Working our way to the side paneling of the construction, this is mainly green on the bottom portion of the interior here, where we've got this nice little divot. And up above, you'll see that we've got some nice hues of reddish orange hues. As we work our way to the back, that's where it gets a little bit more into that indigo blue color scheme. And then wrapping around to the lateral side, you'll see that we've got more of a kind of gradient multicolor scheme going on. I would say that these are pretty much identical on the medial and lateral side as far as colorway goes, so they definitely nailed it there. But this is just a really cool low top sock boot. Definitely kind of fits around your ankle like a glove. And as we work our way to the bottom half, we have this really just nice kind of fall brown colorway that completes the serrated outsole with the Adidas logo there. All right, we also, I mean, you can barely see it actually, but we do have the sizing on the side here. It's in black, but because that blue is so deep, it's very hard to see, but it is there. All right, let's take a look at those details. All right, so now let's talk about sizing. This is a pretty brand new silhouette. So I only had one other colorway option prior to this. So it was definitely just me trying to finagle and figure out what was my favorite size range, since this only dropped in that Sulfur Stone Carbon colorway as well as that Faded Azure. So not too many opportunities for me to really try different size ranges in this, since I did only have one colorway. But I did feel like I at least had to go a full size up in this, just based off of my boot that I had. I thought it was kind of a similar construction. And so I'm typically a 7.5. I went with an 8.5 on my last Yeezy knit runner. And it was a little snug. So I decided to actually go up an entire size and a half. And I think I really landed on the perfect size range. So I feel like this back portion, my heel really just doesn't fit all the way back. So your foot does start up a bit. And as far as it goes, my toe does reach the top here. And this is a full size and a half up. So pretty crazy, but it works. And I would highly recommend at least going a full size up on this. These do run a bit on the smaller side, and your foot, you will be surprised, will definitely reach the top of the toe box region here. Again, if you do like to have a little extra space in your shoe, take that into consideration, as well as the fact that I do have higher arch feet. So if you have flatter, wider feet, that could actually differentiate something completely opposite from my own, since we have different types of feet. So hopefully this will help you, as I did have to again size up an entire size and a half on this one. All right, so now let's talk about how I style this really cool colorway. I think this is actually perfect for the fall. It's an interesting color combination, but I kind of just love it. It feels very artsy, so I really wanted to match this perfectly. For the first look, I wore an abstract crop top with a matching skirt, and I feel like that just matched the color scheme in this to a T. I couldn't have found a better actually like color combination, I feel like, out there, except it was just like singing to me and glowing in the store, so I had to pick it up. But that was for kind of a more dressier feel.
I'm under your spell. 너의 마법에 빠져들었나 헤어나올 수 없어. So tell me who stole from the skies, or did you take a star and place right in your eyes? You're so beautiful, girl. 그대 눈을 바라볼 때.
For the next look, I kind of just kept it pretty casual with some plaid gray pants. And then for the top, I wore a just nice yellow and purple sweater. I think the purple hues are quite nice in this, so I definitely wanted to play off of that color scheme.
You're so wonderful, girl. 작은 손짓 하나야. 그대 원하는 걸 모두 주고 싶어. My superwoman, yeah.
And then for the last and final look, I decided to just wear a nice sweater dress in navy, just because navy is pretty prominent on these.
Oh baby, you, my superwoman. You save me from the fall as we catch the sunrise. You're so beautiful, girl. 그대 눈을 바라볼 때 내가 모르는 걸 이제 믿을 수가 있어야. You're so wonderful, girl. 작은 손짓 하나야. 그대 원하는 걸 모두 줄 수 있어. My superwoman, yeah. Superwoman.
So you let me know, out of the 3 looks, what was your favorite?
even see what's right in front of you. Life gets the best of me, I don't know what to do. Miles still ahead of me and I don't have a clue right now. But we can take this ride wherever it goes. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. I set my mark right on your heart. One moves that got me this far. Now I don't wanna restart. Things get hard and time lets go.
All right, so now let's talk about how much these retailed for and how much they're going on the resale market. These retail at $210, and depending on what size you are, they're going between $240 to $340. All right, everybody, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below and hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name's Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.
Just shining through the whole night, yeah. Sometimes you can't even see what's right in front of you. Life gets the best of me, I don't